Good morning, Columbus. It's very chaotic already, but there's really the most amount of stations that I absolutely got. This is 30GBT7 as always. Then Weimar. This one Cincinnati somehow. Chill Coffee. Because I couldn't reach it from the hallway radio. That's Portsmouth. And that's Miamisburg. And that is Athens.
Lows in the mid-50s. Monday and Monday night, partly cloudy.
So yeah, prepare for some action going on. By the way, the new Dale 400 right there, the recon right there. That's the OG 3120 modeling Weimar. So yeah, these are temporary set until I find a spot for it. We got a minute left till chaos starts. I think I'm going to pause the recording until I hear an EAS tone. But everything seems in good reception.
High pressure will bring plenty of sunshine and dry conditions for the next several days.
So hopefully they all go off. No guarantee on KZZ46 though. I hear something. I'm not sure what it is. I think that was High Hill. That was interfering with Miamisburg. KZZ46. Finally, RX tested. This one's complete. Waiting for no EAS tone.
In 68. Southeast winds around 5 miles an hour.
I thought I heard a white voice somewhere.
Southeast winds around 5 miles.
I'll pause video until I hear an EAS tone. We're waiting for Cleveland and ILN, Wilmington. Yes, here we go. I think that's Miamisburg. Here we go. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes.
Public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, section 2 receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day.
Of course.
Reception of this broadcast.
Is that WWGV7? Oh no.
30% chance of showers.
Portsmouth.
The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties. Ohio. The signal This includes the weekly test of weather radio stations. Each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Ohio: Adams, Brown, Highland, Jackson, Pike, Ross, Scioto, and Benton. In Kentucky, Lewis and Mason. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station West XM, 60 million Otway, Ohio.
Okay, now I'm waiting for chilled coffee and Weimar. I think Weimar oil went off, I think, I'm not sure though. But WWGV7 I'm waiting. Okay, I was told that, I got tested all those stations, so now I'm waiting for KGY 68 and WWGV7. WWGV7!
This is a test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for WWG57 for the Central Highlands of Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm.
Okay, last week KGY 68. That's how many batteries I use, besides at the 30 or 100. There we go. I just have to go to my mom's room to receive it. Is that a white voice? Yes! For a while, KGY 68 did not go on the air. Like, I didn't receive that much.
Rain 30%.
But yeah, this concludes the weekly test. After the weekly test monitoring. I will say unrecognized message because I expect them to say unrecognized. Yeah. And let's review how if the radios went off. We got this one. Weekly test. I think it was that one. That. WWG87 went off. Unplugged. I got a lot of radios right there that I couldn't have time to plug it in. My pillow keeps on getting dropped off. This did not go off. Oh, never mind. I was scared for a sec. I gotta see what's wrong with this. County code set to all, and it's on Quill reception. Otherwise, all of them went off. Don't know if I heard this one. Yeah. This concludes today's video. So thanks for watching.